My name is Glen Coulthard. I'm a Yellowknives Dene First Nation member. And so I was born in Yellowknife. I did most of my grad school in the South. So I started with a BA in Native Studies and Philosophy at the University of Alberta, and then proceeded to do my master's in Indigenous Governance at UVic, and then a PhD at the University of Toronto, and then finished it at the University of Victoria. As an Indigenous student, looking into areas like I do in Indigenous politics or what have you, you tend to kind of funnel yourself into a number of areas that would be appropriate for further sort of kind of research and development. So being a university professor was one that I felt most comfortable with. In terms of both research and teaching, I look at the relationship between kind of these theoretical positions that have been established in the West and the project of settler colonialism. And I emphasize kind of building that theoretical framework and capacity for students in order to kind of make sense of the conditions in which they live as Indigenous peoples living in Indigenous communities. Being able to find that network of Indigenous scholars, students, faculty in the university setting at large, and then really grounding yourself in that community of support. And then of course going home, talking with your elders, talking with community members, talking with family in order to kind of have that anchor while you're navigating the university system, which can be quite explicitly assimilationist in orientation.